Record. All right. Thought I'd do a video of my church EDC. This is also pretty much my winter EDC right now. But so let me start with my left pocket, front left pocket. Got a Streamlight ProTac 1L. Always got that flashlight on me. Also left front pocket. Got my beard comb, Hunter Jack. Good for beard and mustaches. Now that I shaved my mustache, or I'm sorry, shaved my beard, pretty much just use it for my mustache now. Then I got my brand new Rigid wallet, 2025 Los Angeles Dodgers. Now this one, I'm not too sure if I like it yet or not. Definitely like it because of this, and it's a minimalist wallet, but not sure if I like it because of the money clip, and getting the cards out isn't so easy. Right front pocket, got my brass knuckles, my USA brass knuckles. Yep. Never know. Got my Burt's Bees. Never know. Always got chapped lips in the wintertime. Got my earbuds. Front pocket. Got my Benchmade. This is still kind of brand new. I do like it. Pretty much only use this for church or whenever I'm not working. I got a separate Smith & Wesson Bodyguard knife for that. Then another pocket in the back, right rear pocket. I got my Sanity out the front blade. Always carry two knives on me. This one would be my utility knife. This one would be my slicing and dicing knife. You know what I mean? What else I got in here? Oh, my extra mag. I always carry 9mm, 17 rounds. You know what everybody's waiting for right now. I just started carrying this in November. Yeah. Late October, early November. I just got back from church, so let's clear it right now. Got those hollow tips. We're clear. It's got the O-Site K T-Sauce, 1911, 9mm double stack. TLR1 HL Streamlight. This thing, man. Love this thing. This is probably my favorite since I got my SIG P320 AXG Legion. and my Glock 45 Gen 6. Yep, and the holster I got, which I used today. First time I've used it. It's the first time using it today. Black Hawk Omnivore holster. I got it from Shields. Sticker still on there. $67.99. Pretty much I like it. You can put any pistol in here as long as you got the TRL1. Yep. My belt. It is a Core Essentials gun belt. Not going to take that off. But yeah, this is it here. Always carry a spare mag. Sometimes I'll carry a spare mag with Full Metal jackets. These are Sig Sauer hollow points, and these are Hornady hollow points. But yeah, this is it.